We will now use Model Chamfer to chamfer the solid. The Model Chamfer toolpath allows you to machine safe horizontal chamfers on a solid model. It only supports chamfer mill tools. If the solid model is already chamfered, you will have to set the chamfer width on the Cut Parameters page to 0. Select the Levels Manager and disable visibility for Level 1. Expand the gallery in the 2D group, and then select Model Chamfer. Click on Chain Geometry. Make sure only Face is selected. Then select all of these faces. And press OK. Make sure clearance is set to 0.05. Select Tool and select Library Tool. Click on Filter. Make sure the tool type is chamfer mill and set the tool diameter to equal 1/4 and press OK. Select the 1/4 inch chamfer mill and press OK. Enter the comment, machine the 0.02 chamfers on the solid. Select Cut Parameters. Change the bottom offset to 0.02 and make sure the chamfer width is set to 0. Because the solid model is already chamfered, we have to set the chamfer width to 0 so that we do not machine into the model more than necessary. Select Lead In Out. Make sure entry radius is set to 60% and copy the values over. Make sure fitting distance is set to 0.1. Fitting distance sets the distance allowed to trim the Model Chamfer toolpath back in an effort to fit the arcs into the toolpath without gouging. Leave the linking parameters at their default values. Select Preview Toolpaths. The toolpath should appear as shown. Press Escape. Then press OK to generate the operation. Select All Operations and click Verify. When Verify is finished, close the simulation window. Return your view to isometric and toggle the toolpath displays off. At this point, your file is ready to be posted. Therefore, you have completed this lesson and can move on to the next tutorial.